Welcome to another Beer in Front video review. Tonight's beer is from Hop Butcher. This is the Blizzard of 67. Now this is a triple India Pale Ale with Citra, Mosaic, Eldorado, and Ukanat hops. Don't blame me, Mr. Ukanat, if I messed up the name, but it's my show. I'm calling it Ukanat for now. This clocks in at 10% alcohol, so this is a nice one. I was born in 67. My mother carried my fat ass around until I was born in May. So during the great blizzard of 67, I was nice and warm. Mom, I thank you if I've never thanked you for carrying me during the blizzard of 67. There were no Ubers or shit like that. You just schlepped me around in the blizzard. So, Mom, thank you. As you can see, it pours nice in the nice Hop Butcher glass. A lot of foam here, very murky, but it has a nice color. Really nice aroma here. Big fruit notes to this. Really awesome aroma. I get a lot of tropical notes here. Yeah, the taste is really good. I think this could sneak up on you at a 10%. Like, you could pound a couple of these and you'd be calling an Uber. But no, it's really good. Good flavor. Yeah, that's good. Big fruit notes, tropical notes. It's very, almost like creamy. I don't think there's lactose in it. It doesn't say, but I don't think so. But no, it's a delicious beer. Everything Hop Butcher puts out is solid. So if you see the Blizzard of 67, I definitely recommend it. Put it in the cart. It's delicious. Once again, Mom, thank you for lugging me around during the Blizzard of 67 here in Chicago. All right, everyone, have a good week. I'll talk to you in a couple days. Cheers.